Hello everyone! Today we are going to do a 90-minute sightseeing cruise here in Fort Lauderdale. This is our last day here and we want to do this thing that you must do when you visit this city. We're gonna cruise to Fort Lauderdale's New River through Millionaire's Row with homes of the rich and famous. So we just found out that whether you already bought the ticket online, you still have to go in the line to get your boarding passes. When you arrive, you should proceed to their box office window to pick up your boarding passes. Every passenger must have a boarding passes to board the boat. Children under 2 years of age must be in passenger count, so when you make a reservation online, on the phone, or at their box office, you should indicate if you have an infant accompanying you and how many. Welcome aboard, guys! So it's now 11:48 in the morning and departure time is 12 o'clock. So 45 minutes before departure, you should already be boarded. This Jungle Cruise Riverboat has two schedules for today. They have morning schedule at 12 o'clock and their afternoon schedule is at 2:30. If you ever wondered who owns the $1 million beachfront properties, all you have to do is sit back and enjoy the ride. Jungle Queen Riverboat has two-story decks where you can see homes of the rich and famous and learn about the history of the region. This bell tower up front with 3 levels, if you could see and focus in on the detail, that is not paint. That is truly solid gold inlay. This home is owned by late billionaire Wayne Huizenga. Guys, it is still safe to do this boat ride because it is mandatory here to keep our face mask on all the time and do social distancing. Smoking is not allowed here. And of course, they have a life vests for everyone. So when you get hungry and thirsty, they have a small bar here on the boat. They have chips, snacks, water, sodas, beer, wine, and more. And of course, they also have clean restrooms here. Downtowners here is the oldest establishment on the New River. This is Fort Lauderdale's institution for over 25 years. This is a magical outdoor dining treasure when you approach to Andrews Bridge. Fort Lauderdale has a boat tours on the Intracoastal Waterway in Atlantic Ocean. Whether you want to explore on a yacht, water taxi, paddleboard, or gondola, there's a tour that's just right for you.
See it too, but your eyes need to show your mind. You, flying high.
This Harry Potter house belongs to Hallie, and Hallie is the niece of Wayne Huizenga. Wayne doesn't like Harry Potter, but he knew that his niece was crazy about it. So he called Universal, and he had the designers up there helped him design a house similar to Harry Potter. And that's what he gave his niece for wedding present. And that house is worth $22 million.
Flying high. I'm sure you must see it too, but your eyes need to show your mind. You, flying high.
Alluvion is the condo building or apartment building built by the city. They actually built this to attract millennials. It is a little pricey, but not as much the rest of the properties over here.
Flying high.
This one here is the 15th Street Fisheries. This is a seafood restaurant here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida at the Lauderdale Marina on the Intracoastal Waterway. And there is one really fun thing to do here. You can actually feed the fish off the dock. This is a 321-foot mega yacht, and it is owned by Joel Lewis, a British businessman and investor. This yacht is a German model, but what's most interesting about it? That includes a full-size indoor paddle tennis court. So guys, you see some people standing in some very shallow water. That is a sandbar that they call Gilligan's Island. So by the way guys, we did a photo shoot at the beginning of the cruise, so we have a souvenir from the Jungle Queen Riverboat, and this is worth $20. There are so many millionaires in Fort Lauderdale, and it's hard to define where the road begins and ends. The homes, the yachts, all their properties are spectacular, and so are the price tags. This sightseeing tour was simply beautiful. The waterfront homes, the history, the scenery, it was worth all the penny. You know what guys? It was the best thing we did on our last day here in Fort Lauderdale. The experience was so amazing, and we can't wait to come back here again. You know what guys? Florida has a lot of things to do and to see. It's just that we don't have much time to do everything on our list. But we will surely do it when we come back here. This is a must when visiting Fort Lauderdale. You'll be entertained from the moment you step on and off the boat. And thank you to Arlene, our tour guide for today. She's very informative and very nice person. I highly recommend you guys this sightseeing cruise and the Jungle Queen Riverboat. And I'm gonna write down below the link of the Jungle Queen Riverboat so you can check them out. So that's it for today guys, and hopefully you love this video. If you do, please like and share this video, leave a comment, and please subscribe to our channel because we have more travels coming. Thank you so much for all your support and love to us. We now have more than 1,000 subscribers and still counting. Keep safe everyone. God bless us all always. We love you. Bye.